Let's go, everyone! Today we're unboxing the Drain Weasel, a hair clog tool for your sink. So, this is the packaging. Nothing too fancy, but it's just in a bag with like a little flyer showing you insert and spin and then remove the clog. I have a sink that is not draining well, so quick release, disposable wands. That's the wands over here. Instantly fix hair clog drains. And here's the little spinner thing. Let's check out the back. Let's open this up. Because I will be needing to use this. All right. So some of the wands that come with it. The other end, texture looks like it'll get hair. And then the little spinner. Okay. Hopefully this works out. I'll check out the instructions and try this out shortly. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed this unboxing video. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. See you next time. Thank you. Bye.